Have you ever been in a situation, it's raining, wipers aren't working right? Well, we're going to help you replace them. First, we have to go inside. That's better. You know, wiper blades are an important safety feature on your vehicle that can often be overlooked. Over time and use, the edge of your wiper blades will develop small cracks and irregularities. Most vehicle and wiper blade manufacturers recommend to replace these every 12 months. There are two easy ways to check if you need to replace your wipers. The first way is to inspect the edge of the blade visually for defects. If you see cracks, rips, or tears in the blade, it's a good indicator that you should replace your wipers. The second way to check the performance of your wiper blades is with this spray method. You simply spray your windshield, ideally with your vehicle's windshield wiper fluid, and allow the blades to perform one cycle up and down. To replace your wiper blades, you must first know what length they are. To do this, you can measure them with a tape measure. Make sure you measure both blades, as they are different sizes. Using a hook-style arm, look at where the wiper blade meets the arm itself. There should be a small plastic stopper right here. All you have to do is press this down and push it down, and out comes the wiper blade. After removing your blade, make sure to never leave this arm in upward position. It can slam down and break your windshield. To reinstall the new blade, you will reverse the process. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos on how to make maintenance on your vehicle easy and effortless from home. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more from Star Nissan.